This is a graphical representation of a cardiac cycle in regards to left-sided pressures over time. This being left ventricular pressure, this here is left atrial pressure, and this is aortic pressure. Notice the rise and fall of pressure during the cardiac cycle. This coincides with the contraction of the ventricles and ejection of blood that occurs during systole, and the resulting fall in pressure occurs during relaxation of the ventricles and ventricular filling during diastole. You can overlay this pressure time curve with a graph representing ventricular volume over time. You can immediately see that as ventricular pressures rise, blood is ejected from the heart and ventricular volume decreases. It's not until the ventricles relax that the ventricles start to fill with blood later in diastole. These increases and decreases in cardiac pressure occur every cycle and can also be mapped precisely with some of the heart sounds you hear, such as S1 and S2. Remember, in the previous video, we said that S1 represents the closure of the atrioventricular valves, and S2 was the sound produced with the closure of the semilunar valves. And because this is a diagram of left ventricular pressures, these sounds are depicted here as the closure of the mitral valve and the closure of the aortic valve here. These points, along with the S1 and S2 heart sounds, mark the beginning of systole and diastole respectively. So in summary, we looked at the cardiac cycle in regards to pressure over time, along with how this relates to volume within the ventricles over time, and we saw that as ventricular pressures rise, volume decreases. We also mapped these curves to the opening and closing of the different heart valves, and how they correlate with the respective heart sounds. In the next video, we'll continue to explore in more detail the phases of systole and diastole during the cardiac cycle, and how these phases might relate to extra heart sounds and murmurs that you'll hear later on in this series. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, and we'll let you know as soon as more videos are ready for you to watch and enjoy. In the meantime, you can visit our channel to view more medical education videos, or visit one of our many social media accounts to explore different ways you could creatively learn medicine.